doing? What do you think they're doing? They're putting something all the way down in the earth. This is what they're doing. Detroit Geothermal. The geothermal energy installation. Clean, low-cost energy source project. This is one of its kind. And these are connected to it. Bayer Material Sciences, Honeywell. This 1920 apartment building was gutted and rebuilt. MEP Construction has transformed this into a model of energy efficient. The roof will have solar panels. Detroit Geothermal has drilled 20 geothermal wells 340 feet deep. That's what they're going to be going deep. Detroit Spray and Foam sprayed the walls and ceilings with super efficient bay systems. Closed cell foam. Honeywell manufactures the blowing agent for BAs. The blowing agent for these closed cell foam. Bay systems. Historic restoration. These are what they're doing. MEP Construction. Taking historic buildings, restoring them to modern standards. From that restoration, you have, in this historic building, stuff relating to arts, blood donation, and then new technology. Atlantis Masco, submersible boat concept, and Caterpillar DR1 drilling. The history, the cash register by NCR National. Here's a whole bunch of elements for health with the timepiece, and then integrating it with what you already know, what type of medicines to do, whatever, without the chemistry connection, and then back to your household herbs and stuff like that. And then I guess we continue this on into here. Perfume. Hi, I'm slow.
We got my water pill.
Yep, they're too soon.
Huh?
It's too soon. One is due tomorrow, the hydrochlorothiazide.
Yeah, hydrochlorothiazide and
that's tomorrow.
atenolol.
The atenolol is too soon.
The hydrochlorothiazide and atenolol. I'll do them tomorrow.
Yep, they both too soon.
Okay.
Yeah. See? And
Yeah.
it's good to be
I
on the
got
list.
prescription. I didn't know
It's all
the
on
automatic
too.
refill. That's good.
We automatically call your doctor for you. So you won't have to do all that stuff.
$11.
Here's over the counter.
12. 12
And then your
pills.
advanced pharmaceuticals. And then your highest level advanced. Oh, I was wondering, when do McKesson stores all the pharmaceutical products when they're the delivery trucks?
You are.
It's McKesson, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, you know, in the hospital they have the McKesson automated system where everything is done automatedly, but because there's a lot of patients and stuff.
How you doing there?
Right.
So McKesson delivers directly
Right.
and then stocks the shelves.
No, they don't stock the shelves.
Oh, you stock the shelves and then they provide inventory count, or you bring inventory into the system?
What do you mean?
Inventory. When they deliver things, it's already in the system, or do you have to put them in the system?
No, we just enter the invoices.
Oh, the invoice. See, look, DMC Laboratories. I just walked down and got the DMC Laboratory. Omar, you research scientist from doing research, cancer research? You're not research scientist? For cancer or for mind, heart?
No, we're research in OBGYN.
Oh, gynecology. Oh. Oh. Jason. Korea?
We are not Japanese, Korean.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Arigato. Go. I think it's all super right here. Back to the geothermal technology with security and school buses by first student and AMR by Onyx with the what is it, medical AMR, Ambulance Medical Services.